Merong friend si Ma'am Rebecca.
Yes.
Na sabi nga magsi-share din ng kanyang siguro a short story about Ma'am Rebecca,
Yes.
About their friendship at iba pa.
Kasi matagal na talaga ito silang magkasama. Na-observe ko na every time, kahit sa mga family gathering, sa mga pasyalan, moment ni Miss Rebecca, nandyan talaga si Miss Carmi. So, isi-share ni Miss Carmi kung paano ba, ano ba yung, sino ba si Rebecca bilang isang kaibigan, no? Kasi negosyante, di ba? May mga personality kasi yung isang negosyante, mag-ship yung kanyang attitude o ano ba, pakikisama, pagdating sa...
Paano ba yung paano ba i-distinguish na isang negosyante?
Oo.
Kasi yung friendship, demanding ang oras ng isang
Pero alam ko si Miss
negosyante.
Rebecca, natural talaga siya. Kung ano yung pakikitungo niya sa'yo, kahit CEO ka pa, pagdating sa friendship, alam ko, natural. Talagang...
Hopefully, maging kaibigan ko rin si Ma'am Rebecca. Ma'am Rebecca, sana maging kaibigan ko rin kayo para ma-inspire din ako.
Si Ma'am Carmi, andyan na po ba?
Happy! Anchor Tony.
Yes.
Okay. Miss Carmi?
Hi!
Ayan. So, ayan.
Hello, everyone.
Oh, ayan.
Pinurtasin ko dyan, ha? Wala akong alam dito sa mga project na to, ha?
Yes, it's a surprise. Sabi nga ni Miss Carmi, nakita na niya ako. Hindi na surprise na siya kanina kasi in-announce na namin advance. Miss Carmi,
ako ang na-surprise eh.
Opo. Sige, Miss Carmi, pwede niyo po bang ilarawan si Miss Rebecca bilang isang ka-business partner at the same time? Ka-friend.
Yeah. Okay. So, sige. First, thank you for having me. And na-surprise ako, nakita ko si sister. Sabi ko, bakit nandyan na? But anyway, as a business partner, si Rebecca is very results-oriented, no? We started as partners. I was one of the sponsors. And we have very, very open communication. I will come to her and say, may problema ako, sis. Hindi ako kumokota. Kailangan ko itong ma-close, no? And she will tell me, sino dyan? Sige, samahan kita. So, ganun yung aming relationship. And that's why I was able to pursue yung partnership namin. It's very helpful. Alam ko hindi lang dahil friend niya ako, no? But even with other people, she will empower you. But it's up to you na to follow up, no? But ganun kasi siya, yung, sige, ayan, pinakilala na kita. Dapat gawin mo na, di ba? So, she'll do that. She's very generous in terms of connecting you to other people. Kasi syempre, gusto niya, ma-justify mo syempre yung investment mo, di ba? As a marketer. So, that's her. Wala akong naging problem in the past because she's been helping me. Alam niya yung concern, alam niya yung mga challenges, and as a sponsor, she listens to me, no? And ako din naman, I'm very upfront and assertive. I tell her. Now, mas challenging nga yung pagiging friends. Kasi, syempre, pag business, sanay na kami, di ba? Business yan. Pag friends, syempre, mas conservative, mas sensitive kami pareho. You know, girls, di ba? Ayun tayo, matampuhin, di ba? Yung, ganun kami.
So, may mga may mga misunderstanding rin minsan.
Of course, may mga LQ din. And that's where you will see the true essence of friendship. Kasi otherwise, hindi na siya magtatampo, pero iisipin, magpa-plastic na lang siguro, no? And then, you will proceed as if nothing is wrong. But kami, sometimes we will not talk. Okay, mga ilang araw yon. And then, pagbalik namin, walang nangyari. Kasi, alam na namin, alam ko na na-hurt ko, alam ko na ganon. So, walang it's very authentic, no? Para kaming bata, nagtatampuhan kami, tapos naglalaro din kami, 'di ba? Minsan sasabihin niya, sis, alis tayo, 'di ba? Or biglang-bigla magtatawagan na kami ulit. So, I think that's one thing that we should have, no? Yung being sincere. Yes, you may be misinterpreted, you may have miscommunications, but that shouldn't ruin the relationship.
Yes.
Kasi ang totoong relationship, ang totoong friends, you understand each other's mood, diba, behavior, and you respect. And you love the person, no? Love ko yung pagiging prangka niya, yung pagiging matampuhin niya, love din niya yung pagiging straightforward ko, diba? Pareho kami. And ang maganda dito, we respect each other's emotions. And then we can talk to each other as if, ito hindi maganda, ito maganda yan. No, it's very important. So, ganun kami. Kung ano yung makita mo sa kanya, minsan magpapanik yan, magtatampo yan. Then after that, wala na. Ganon kami.
Miss Carmi,
as friends and as partners.
Yes, ma'am. Alam po ng lahat na isa po kayong fitness coach. Sa friendship nyo ba ni Miss Rebecca, na pag-uusapan nyo ba yung mga healthy lifestyle nyo, na kailangan ganito tayo, anong mga tips na kailangan sundin natin para ma-maintain natin yung ating magandang pangangatawan at malusog na pangangatawan. Yes.
Yes. I also, well, Rebecca is also, I'm also a teacher of her. Sinasabihan ko siya, alam mo isang problema mo, masyado kang overthinker, di ba? Masyadong dinidibdib lahat. And workaholic ka, you don't rest. You need to rest. So minsan, papaalam yan, I will go there, I will do this. Sasabihin ko, hindi ka pa nagpapahinga. So, yung mga healthy habits that sometimes because of her, workaholic yan eh. I will always remind her. Yung coffee, minsan maggagawa yan ng kape. Sabi ko, sister, hindi dapat isang tasa, kalahati lang kasi mayat-maya ka. So, those things. And then we enjoy going to the spa, magsosona, naghuhula hoop kami. So, we do that. And she listens naman. May mga times lang talagang matigas ulo niya, sister. Workaholic.
Si Miss Rebecca, andyan pa ba?
Yes, she's listening.
Miss Rebecca, how would you respond sa mga comments ni Miss Carmi?
Actually, it's true. Like, I'm very stubborn. I know what I want. And then, syempre, what's so nice about us, we're very open. And nothing nililimit namin, but we show who we are. The authenticity, being friends, acceptance, ganun ang personality namin, which is very nice. Kasi talagang napakaganda ang samahan namin, pati mga asawa namin. Pag nag-get together kami, sleep over, yung mga lalaki, they do things, kami mga babae, we do things. So it's so nice. Wala yung bawal natin that we're watching or be careful, but nandiyan kami who we are. So, ganun ang aming friendship, which is very nice.
I think, Ma'am Rebecca, Ma'am Carmi, ayan. Kumbaga, you lay down your cards. This is me. At nagkakaintindihan kayo in so many ways. Nagko-compliment kayo as friends. Kumbaga, kung merong komento, kasi merong kaibigan, Ma'am Rebecca, Ma'am Carmi, na para bang may pretension sa inyo pong dalawa, the way I see it, para bang napaka-open book nyo sa isa't isa, even your family. Yep. At yun po yung isa sa mga sikreto ng real friendship. Kumbaga, dapat wala kayong itinatago sa isa't isa para in times of trouble, madali. Sabi nga ni Ma'am Carmi kanina, syempre, sa magkakaibigan, di naman nawawala yung misunderstanding. Pero para bang as if nothing happened, kasi nga malalim yung inyong pinagsamahan as friends.
Yes, and I can also attest on that kay Miss Rebecca. Alam nyo, since 2014, nang makilala ko talaga ito si Miss Rebecca, sa isang launching yun ng magazine. Ayan.
Magazine,
So, hindi pa niya na alam na nasa media ako kasi nasa charity work ako eh. Alam niya yung mga ginagawa nating mga pagtulong, mga NGOs na tinutulungan namin. So yun, nalaman niya nasa media ako. So ayun, medyo alof ako dahil CEO nga siya. Pero
diba?
Talagang natural yung friendship ni Madam. Kumbaga, kahit na hindi naman tayo CEO nasa level lang naman tayo ng mga
pangkaraniwang manggagawa.
Diba? Pero yun nafe-feel din namin na parang mga CEO yung treatment niya sa amin. Oo, di ba?
And siguro, partner Eileen, in addition to that, Ma'am Carmi, Ma'am Rebecca, we need friends.
Yes.
Hindi po pwedeng, sabi nga, mabubuhay ka na ikaw lamang. The more friends na meron tayo, mas maganda yon. Mas marami tayong outlet. Hindi natin dapat ilimita sa iisa lang yung kaibigan natin. I'm sure both of you, Ma'am Rebecca and Ma'am Carmi, marami din kayong mga friends. And lahat ng yan ay makakatulong sa atin along the way. Yung ating mga kaibigan na yan. Ma'am Rebecca, Ma'am Carmi.
Agree. And
Totoo yan. No man is an island talaga.
Yes.
Okay?
At saka if you have friends, nasi-share mo, di ba, kung ang stress level mo 100%, the moment you share it to your friend, di ba, nagiging 80% na lang. Bumababa yan, di ba,
Yes.
as you share, and then as you listen to your friend, ikaw din nakakatulong ka din. So, yeah, that's why my book is beautifully connected. I was beautifully connected with Rebecca, and I will always cherish yung friendship namin.
Yes.
And especially your profession, Ma'am Carmi, kumbaga stress reliever talaga, di ba? When you're fit and when you're healthy, para bang walang puwang yung mga negativity doon sa ating kaisipan. So, sana maging friending kita at makilala more para madagdagan din yung kaibigan ko at madagdagan din yung kaibigan mo, Ma'am Carmi.
Of
Ayan.
course, that's what we are here for, di ba? To enlarge our territories. That's why yung friends ni Rebecca, friends ko din, yung friends ko, they become her friends also, di ba? So, we're beautifully connected, as I always say.
Yes.
Ayan. So actually, marami rin kaming
May nadagdag lang ako, ha?
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Si Rebecca, she's easily misconstrued because of her sincerity. You know naman, sometimes, our strength becomes our weakness, di ba?
Yes.
So, she's often misconstrued because she's straightforward. So, minsan akala mo galit siya, but she's not. She's talking to you like, kapag medyo soft-hearted, di ba, she tends to hurt people, but people who know her would always understand she's like that. She has very good intention. And that's why, as a friend, I'm there to balance things out. Di ba, gano'n naman tayo.
Yes, yes.
Ako din, kung meron akong mga pagkukulang, she talks to me, alam mo, dapat ganito yan. So, yeah, and then we grow every day together with our friends.
Ayan.
Well said, partner Eileen, di ba?
Yes.
Ang daming nating natutunan. Not only dun sa humble beginning ni Ma'am Rebecca, yung friendship nila ni Ma'am Carmi, and even Ma'am Carmi, yung mga na-impart mo sa amin this afternoon, sa mga viewers natin this afternoon, ang laking bagay nun na sabi nga natin, we need friends. Hindi tayo pwedeng nag-iisa lang sa buhay natin. Makakatulong yung mga kaibigan. So, tell me who your friends are and I will tell you who you are. Bagamat meron silang mga sinasabi na ganun. The way I see it, you're a real friend. Kayong dalawa ay talagang magkaibigan. Nagkakaintindihan kayo. Ma'am Carmi, Ma'am Rebecca.
Ayan.